Hi, I'm Kristen Roberts. I am the founder and managing attorney of Trestle Law APC in San Diego, California. We build you a bridge from your brand to your bank account. I hired a paralegal, a full-time paralegal, worked for all the big law firms, thought they were going to be a total rock star, went through all the interview processes, and ended up having to fire them 60 days in. But I'm actually really proud I was able to do that because I was able to look at the KPIs that I had set and sit down with this person and tell them, look, this is what's happening and what's not happening and why we're having to let you go. And she fully agreed and was like, yeah, you know what? I don't want to work here anymore either. And I said, okay, perfect. See you later. But it didn't end up doing anything to the business. We ended up having the best month ever still, and we continue to roll with those best months ever. So I didn't have, normally when I lose somebody, I have to pull back on the work, and I don't have enough people in place to keep going, and it normally keeps me up at night, and it didn't. I just said, okay, see you later, and we just kept rolling, and 2 new employees ended up falling into my lap that came to me and was like, we want to work for you. Can we work for you? Can you give us an opportunity? We'll do anything to work with you. And I was like, okay. Yes. So that was, and they actually end up making more money for the firm because they're attorneys as opposed to paralegals. So it ended up working out. I was able to take a 10-day vacation completely unplugged in the woods, away from everything. I didn't even have to check my email, so that was amazing. This first 6 months of 2021, we did about the same amount as we did in all of 2019. I am on a run rate to break over 600,000 for the first time ever. I joined in 2018 when I was 13 weeks pregnant, and all I wanted to do was take a maternity leave. Yes. And I was able to take 4 completely uninterrupted months off, which I desperately needed. So we increased our average case value by over $1,000, and we rolled out a new package that's $10,000 more than our average case value. Whoa. And we're building out the marketing funnels around that. So that's coming in, and I hired a marketing officer. I also hired somebody to help me build out one of the digital products that we're creating. So I'm no longer afraid to spend money in order to make it because I have all of those numbers.